friends, welcome to Civil Architecture Tutorials. Today's subject is the different types of materials that we are using for kitchen furnishing. As we know, there are a lot of materials available for that. The first one is, of course, it is the MDF, which is called mild density fiber. It is very smooth, the density is very less. There are two types of MDF available. One is interior type or commercial type, and the other is waterproof type. So always better to use the waterproof type MDF. It is good for shutter making only, and it is not good for cabinet making, because since the density is very less, always go for shutter making. It is good, and the price is around, for 18 mm it is around 50 rupees per square feet. And the second material is HDF, which is called high density fiber, which is more denser than the MDF, and this is a premium product. It has got termite resistance and good waterproof resistance, and it can be used for shutter making as well as cabinet making. So HDF is preferable than MDF, but the problem is regarding the screw holding capacity. Both MDF and HDF has some problem with the screw holding capacity. The third one is, which is the best product for kitchen cabinets, is called plywood. Plywood is a bit expensive than HDF and MDF, and always go for the 710 IS 710 marine plywood. There are two types of plywood available. One is moisture resistant 303 grade, but it is inferior. Don't go for that, which is commercial grade also. So always go for the marine plywood for your kitchen cabinets, which is 710 ISO 710. So it has got all the qualities that we need for a kitchen cabinet, like moisture resistant, strength, durability. All these qualities the plywood is having. But the main problem is with the termite attack. Even if it is 710 ISO 710 marine plywood, there is always chance for the termite to attack, since it is made up of wood. As you know, plywood is made up of several layers of wood in it. So termite attack is the main problem in it. Here also we can laminate it, we can paint it, like we can laminate and paint the MDF and HDF too. Here plywood also we can do that, but if the workmanship is not good, then we will not get a very smooth surface. So always go for machine laminating. That is, we have to give it to the factory and get it laminated. The appearance will be very good. So if the carpenter is not that much experienced, then anyway the quality will not be that much good when compared to the machine laminating. So that is regarding the plywood. Then comes the WPC boards. WPC, the full form is wood plastic composite or wood polymer composite boards. There are two types of WPC boards. That is, one is WPC itself, and the second one is PVC boards. Sometimes people are telling about WPC as PVC sheets, but this is different. PVC board is having only the polymer in it. There is no wood in it. So when the polymer is added to a wood, the WPC has got two properties. That is, the one of the wood and as well as the polymer quality. So the quality will be different than the polymer sheet. So always go for the WPC. That is better. The main important materials which are quality wise good in kitchen cabinets are plywood and WPC boards. So WPC board, the main thing we have to find is that the density starts from 0.4, but the good quality sheets in WPC, the density of that is from 0.55 to 0.6. So always select the WPC's density board with density 0.55 to 0.6 range. And why I say that you have to select the density between 0.55 and 0.6 is that such WPC board have got the screw folding capacity higher than the other density less WPC boards. So if you want the screw holding capacity should be good, go for the higher density boards of WPC. So after this WPC, then comes the cheapest one in the kitchen material, which is called particle board. As you know, particle board is, they are making it from the sawdust from coming out from the saw mills. They are pressing the sawmills at high temperature and pressure and making this particle board, which is very cheap, which is around half of the price of plywood. Plywood, the rate comes up from 88 to 150 per square feet. So this comes around half of the price of the plywood. So many people go for this particle board, but If you want the kitchen to be only for 2 or 3 years, then you go for that. Otherwise, never go for this. This is the most inferior quality product for a kitchen cabinet. There is no screw holding capacity. The termite will attack. All these things will happen to this particle board. Then comes the cement board. Cement board we are using mainly for the semi-modular kitchen, where wood is not a ingredient in this kitchen manufacturing, kitchen cabinet. So where there, it is all made up of cement boards in different partitions. That is one. That is, but it is very expensive when compared to the plywood or any other items. Apart from cement board, for the semi-modular kitchen manufacturing or kitchen making, we are using marble too. Marble also is one of the material that we are using for kitchen cabinet making. So these are the 7 products which I discussed today for kitchen cabinet making. In all these materials, always go for plywood or WPC. That is better. So I think with this today's video you understand or you gain some knowledge regarding the materials used for kitchen cabinet making. I will come with another subject within another video. Till then, goodbye. Please subscribe, share and like my channel. Thank you very much.